My name is Doyle Burden, and we're at Rockin' D Ranch in Willique, Oklahoma.
We have 500 acres here, and we're at RMK Farms.
I'm the fourth generation to grow up on it.
I'm Jack Gorsissa. The farm here in Conowall, it has been in the family since early in the 30s.
I always wanted to be a rancher. My father and I both have around 5,000 acres together.
I'm Don.
I'm Gail.
And we have the Able Centennial Angus Farm in Seminole County.
This whole operation is what feeds my family.
The land to us is how we make our living.
It's something that I would trade for anything. We've got a piece of land over here that was an old abandoned well site.
It had pump jack stands.
What we had was nothing but waste. Oil field stuff laying out there. Somebody was telling us about OERB.
One morning I was sitting there drinking coffee and that commercial come on, and I thought, you know, I think I'm gonna call those people.
Saw the OERB commercials about the good work that they did.
And so we called.
They called back and said, we'd love to do it.
The effort that they put into it to make my place better is amazing.
When OERB came in, there was 2 big cab dozers, track hoe unloaded, a backhoe unloaded, dump trucks, and they hauled off debris. They took out all of those rocks, took out all of that stuff.
They sent in a crew, and in 10 days, they had it cleaned up, paid for by, not me, but the oil and gas industry. They weren't forced or nothing.
I couldn't believe that someone was as interested in cleaning up my daddy's land as I was, free of charge.
They did exactly what they said they were going to do. And you know what? It didn't cost me a penny. It didn't cost me a penny.
I'm ecstatic because it looks good.
It's turned acres that were unfit into a pond that now is one of the most beautiful spots on the property as far as I'm concerned.
We couldn't be more satisfied with it.
It's rewarding to see new life.
It's just a wonderful thing.
It's absolutely gorgeous. I would do it again in a minute.
You know, we're doing a good thing. We're doing a good thing.